आप तो नहीं देख रही हो उसमें आप?
बीच बीच में कभी कभी
Started from Delhi at around 5 a.m. and that time GPS was telling us that we will be in Shimla by 3:30. But on our way we found so many farmer protests that now our GPS time has turned to 7:10. So let's see when we reach. Hello, Swam. Hello. Hello, Jessica.
Hi. Hi.
Sneham. Hello.
Hello.
So how is your trip going?
Fine. Fine.
You're enjoying?
Yes. It's lots
Sneham?
fun.
You're enjoying?
Yes.
So currently we are going to a small restaurant named as Chavni and it has a military.
हम शिमला के रास्ते में और हमें एक ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट मिला जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा थीम्ड इंडियन आर्मी थीम है और मतलब आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ माय होटलिंग एक्सपीरियंस आई कैन से दिस इज़ अ प्लेस वन शुड विजिट। सिंपल चीज़ों से इतना मोटिवेटिंग, इतना इंटरेस्टिंग और थीमेटिक चीज़ कोई कर सकता है, ये बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंग था हमारे लिए और बहुत ही अच्छी ट्रीट था। जस्ट enjoyed coming to this particular restaurant. This is a tent and kids also loved this place. It's altogether fantastic. We just dropped by for a tea. We are moving forward. The restaurant's name is Chavni 24/7.
So now we have reached our hotel, which is the Grand Hotel, which is located near the Mall Road. Now let's have a view of the room. So this is the entrance. Then here comes the main room. You can call this a bedroom. Everything has a wooden flooring and it is a huge room. Now this is again followed by another room, which is the connecting room. This is also a big room. Like I am thinking of if we had brought the skates, we would have done skating over here. And then this is the washroom. And there is again one door which they have locked because they say there are some monkeys, so we have to take care of that. But the room is really grand. We had to walk around 2 or 3 kilometers to reach here because they do not have a parking over here, so we had to park near the railway parking, and now we are here enjoying the room, and we are here at the canteen of the Grand Hotel. All this is a part of the Grand Hotel. This is the dining area. Look at the view. Sami! This is the entrance of the Grand Hotel from where we came last night. Now we are here at the church. So here we are at Lakkad Bazaar. It is around 8:30 in the morning and some of the shops are open, especially the food ones. We had some fresh noodles and momos over here and we are waiting for a few of our friends. So we are now exiting from Lakkad Bazaar. Some of the shops are now open over here. So now we are here entering the railway station. Let's see we are able to catch the toy train or not. We are already running short of. We are getting the first look of the toy train. So now we are about to board the toy train.
This is the train.
Now we are inside the toy train. So Sanjay, you are liking the toy train?
Yes. Yes.
IIS if time permits. Otherwise, take this enough for this.
भैया आज कौन सी धाम है?
आज कांगड़ी
आप एक तो सीडू बोलो, एक ना सीडू समथिंग शूज खोल के जाना है।
शूज खोल के जाना पड़ता है।
वो आपने कभी खाई नहीं होगी आइटम ना, स्टीम
So you can see the menu over here.
वो जरूर खान करिए
There are
आपके
two types of thali, and this is the sidhu he is talking about.
एक एक जगह ना आ जाए या वैसे ही आ जाए।
Now this is sidhu. Everybody is excited about it. It comes either as sweet or as savory. That is little salty. Too many people have come here to have their lunch. The dish name is sidhu, and this is the Himachali rasoi. There is a
ये सोहम और स्नेहम ये हैं, और स्नेहम ने भी आज थोड़ा अच्छे से खाना खा लिया है। और ये हमारे पास आ गया है स्वीट डिश जिसका नाम है सिद्धू। पीपल आर चाटिंग दिस प्लेस इज स्मॉल बट गिविंग सम ऑथेंटिक थिंग, सो फन।
Now we are at the local market, lower market. So we were at the lower bazaar, and now we are in a walking tunnel, and it is Sunday today, and it is around 8:30 a.m. So on Sundays the market are usually closed. So the mall road is completely closed today. Street market is here. Like if you are in Delhi, you have Sunday markets. Similar fashion here. They are having street market on Sunday. So now we are at Nathu shop, which is located in the lower bazaar, and it is one of the famous shops over here. We are currently waiting over here for chola bhaturas to arrive. Let's see how it turns out. This is the Nathu shop we are sitting at. Let's see how the breakfast goes over here. Fresh jalebis are being made. Let's have a look.
This is
साइड कर लिया और मोटे
So here we have reached Nalkanda, and now we are going to the Nalkanda temple, which is itself an adventurous task. There is only one way, and cars are coming from both the sides.
ड्राइवर this road is special for driver. It is mind exercise. For all other heart exercise.
We are just praying to God that we reach safely over here. Snow can be seen at the mountains. We can see the ice over here. See, this all white is ice. Ice na. Sanjana is excited about the snow.
see the snow.
Now we are on top of Nalkanda hill. We are just about to reach the temple. This is the temple for which we have climbed such a big mountain and saw snow. So now we have reached Khatu Mandir, and this is the view of the temple.
और खास चीज़ें भी देवी का मंदिर है। और खास बात यह है कि पूरा लकड़ी के बड़े घड़ हैं उन पर बना हुआ। और ये एक खास चीज़ है जो हिमाचल में ही देखने मिलेगी, जो हिमाचल का एक तरीका है कंस्ट्रक्शन का, जिसमें कि लकड़ी और पत्थर दोनों को एक साथ यूज़ किया गया है। आसपास में 360 डिग्री व्यू, ये यहाँ की हाईएस्ट पीक है, और सब तरफ हम स्नो के पैचेस जो कि पिछले हफ्ते स्नो हुई थी देख पा रहे हैं। डॉग कहाँ है? बाबू कहाँ है?
कर दो।
सो गया? सोने ना सोने। आइस क्लोज करा है?
Everyone is very happy because we could see snow. This is the fresh snow which has fallen just a week back, less than that. So we have everyone. So now do you find your Shimla trip complete?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is satisfied now. Fulfilled.
Fulfilled. Will you give tip to me?
Yes, definitely.
100 rupees or 50 rupees?
Whatever you want, we'll offer you.
Enjoying snow.
हमें एक बढ़िया चीज़ देखने मिला है, कैरोसिन से चलने वाला रूम हीटर है। पहले हम लोग लाइट के लिए यूज़ करते थे किसी समय में, लाल उसमें मेंथल होता था, उसी तरीके से।
So now we are starting for Jaku temple. If you can see the statue of Lord Hanuman on the mountain top, there we are supposed to go. It seems to be rainy today. It is fully covered with clouds.
Mama,
So now we are here at the center of the square. It is early morning, 7:30 am. This you can see was some gallery which is now converted into a restaurant, and the top you can see is made up of stones. Like this is the traditional way they do their top. This is the flag. All the functions are here only because this is a flat surface, and currently it is morning, so you cannot see many tourists over here. Obviously everybody is sleeping here, but yes, at nights it is fully covered with tourists. This you can see is the church. Here you can see the statue of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. There on top is the Jaku temple. Today it is Holi festival. Now let's see how people are celebrating Holi over here. Even the clouds are in the mood of Holi. It looks like it may rain anytime. So now we are here about to climb Jaku temples, and here it shows that you can check your physical fitness. For my age group, it says that if I climb this mountain in 45 minutes, then I'll be termed as absolutely fit.
I'm setting the clock. It is 7:44 now. We should reach by what time? 8:15.
The gates have been covered with stones as well as some other materials so that the monkeys do not open it. Even in Delhi we face the same problem of monkeys.
Reached Jaku Hill in 40 minutes. Precisely it was required to reach in for less than 45 minutes. So that we have achieved. And one more thing we could have optimized, but because of a pram and a kid, it took a little more time. 2 kids, yeah. So it took a little more time. So you can essentially count as 30 minutes. So
You can look how majestic it is.
Soham. सोहम कहाँ जा रहे हैं गुम्मी? विश्वास है कि हनुमान जी संजीवनी लेते समय इसी पर्वत पर विश्राम किए थे, इसलिए यहाँ मंदिर है और उनके विभिन्न एपिसोड विभिन्न चीज़ों से उनके वृतांत किया गया।
आपके पास वो है, पेन है क्या?
मैं कॉपी के लिए आया। इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है ये जापानीज पेस्ट्री, और ये स्पून बिस्किट कम पेस्ट्री है, एंड वी रियली एंजॉयड इट।
Look at the view of the building. It is Indian Institute of Sciences. found them in yellow, pink, red color. They seem to be creeper. I don't know the exact name, but they just seem lovely. And the weather, by God's grace, is lovely. We spent 3-4 days in Shimla, and today is really lovely weather. So this text is talking about this dancing girl statue which you can see in the middle. It states that it is from Mohenjo-daro's era.
मम्मा एक छोटा वाला है
Hey?
क्या छोटा वाला है
Hey?
ये
Look at the staircase. I hope you can see. This place is called as the Viceroy's house.
I take this flower up here.
जो अच्छा होगा We are on the way to Chandigarh and we have found this newly built tunnel on the way towards Ambala. We are moving forward around 67 kilometers left for Chandigarh. This is very good tunnel and it reminds me of the tunnel in Jammu which is Jawahar tunnel. This was long tunnel, almost about a kilometer of tunnel, and I believe this would have saved a lot of journey in this mountain. So we thank BRO for this.
Wow! Fountain. Small fountain.
Here inside Hotel Regenta, we are in Chandigarh.
Shashi
And
is offering a party.
this is the birthday boy. He is the birthday boy. He is giving us party in Regenta. Tomorrow is his birthday and he is caught today. Kids are enjoying here at Regenta. See Soham.